And it's time now for Guiding Your Home Financing Journey with John Schwab. Join John as he addresses common concerns and questions regarding financing for the purchase or refinance of a home. John Schwab is a senior loan officer for First Centennial Mortgage in Aurora with over 20 years in the industry. For more information, visit johnschwabmortgages.com. Via the phone lines, we once again say good morning to John. How are we doing today, sir?
Good morning, Mike. I'm doing great. I hope everybody out there is doing well, too, in this crazy time.
Indeed, and with the last couple of weeks, we've been talking about, with all the different things that we have to do to adjust to these times, the services you provide are still up and running. You're still available to maybe not meet with people, but definitely talk to them. So give us an update on how things are going with all of that and whatever else you have for us today.
Absolutely. Well, first of all, the purchase market is picking up again, and the realtors have done a wonderful job of adapting to this. The sellers are open to showing the house either by virtual tours or, basically just allowing one person in the house at a time to look at it. Everybody kind of keeps their hands in their pockets, walks through it, walks out, and, of course, they're properly covered with their equipment. But the other things that are going on right now, too, is kind of keep in mind the market on the financing end of it is getting a little bit crazy. First of all, everybody is used to rates being in tandem where, one goes down, the 15 goes down, the 30 goes down, the 10 goes down, adjustable rates, everything, just kind of worked in tandem up and down, and that's not the case now. For example, the 10-year fix and the 15-year fix are at the same rate. And so it's more or less the risk-based pricing that's going on right now. So you kind of got to look at this may be your last opportunity to kind of refinance at the low rates, because once you get back to work, we're expecting the rates to go up, as they did in China, which is the second largest economy in the world. Their interest rates took a tick up as soon as things started going back, and we're expecting the same thing here. So this may be your bottom, and try to take advantage of it. So that's one thing that's going on. The other thing I wanted to touch base with, the concern is that those who are doing a forbearance again, keep in mind, do it only if you absolutely have to. If you want to call me first to see what's out there, the rules are changing all the time. As much as the CARE Act said that they were going to protect the credit reports, I'm not seeing that. I'm starting to see things on the credit reports already. So give me a call, and I will be happy to update you and let you know what's going on in that end of the world. As far as your credit goes. So lots of changes out there, and I'm very, very, very happy to discuss those with you because everything is kind of a moving target right now.
Yeah, and you mentioned, John, that this could kind of be the last best chance to do the refinance, and if the rates go back up again, if we get back to somewhat a sense of normalcy. But let's say the stay-at-home order and the way we currently are now extends another month, another 2 months. Would that open up the window a little further, do you feel, for refinancing to still be at the low rate?
I think it'll stay. I don't see it going lower right now. I think if it was going to go lower, it would have. The interest rates are based off of the stock market's 20,000 mortgage-backed securities. And those aren't having a lot of interest right now until people get back to work. So those, we're just going to kind of be where we're at. And I'm starting to see a lot of people jumping on the refinance rates right now because I think they sense that this may be it. Everybody wants to hit the very, very bottom, but in general, that lasts about 10 to 15 minutes if you want to hit the ultimate bottom. And we are not at the all-time low, but we're real close to it. So, this is your window to take advantage of it.
And if people want to find out more, John, we would normally give an address and that kind of thing, invite people to stop in. But instead, we're sending out phone numbers. How do people get a hold of you?
Okay. Please call me at 630-532-3199. Again, 630-532-3199. And as always, you're welcome to check out my website, johnschwabmortgages.com.
All right, John, as always, thank you. Stay safe, and we'll look forward to another visit next week at the same time.
Thank you, Mike.
Guiding your home financing journey has been brought to you by John Schwab of First Centennial Mortgage in Aurora. For more information about financing a home purchase or refinance, visit johnschwabmortgages.com. John Schwab, NMLS number 223945. First Centennial Mortgage in Aurora, Equal Housing Opportunity, NMLS number 132763. Illinois Residential Mortgage Licensee number MB.0004239.